Welcome to the final lesson in this 30-lesson plan. Thank you for following on with me, and I hope you have enjoyed learning the basics of Python. Today we build a tiny address book that you can actually use in real life. We will add people, read them, update them, and delete them. We will also write the data to a simple file so it sticks around between runs. Think of saving the phone for your kid's school. Contact your electrician and the soccer coach. I will talk you through a simple structure that is easy to change later. Keep your editor open and follow along at your own pace. Let's start with a tiny data shape that is easy to read. Each contact has an ID, a name, an email, a phone, and a short note. For friendly output, we format each row the same way so lists look clean. This scene stays in memory only so you can see output right away. The point is to make the shape clear before we think about files. Small steps help you avoid bugs and keep your confidence high. Now we will create contacts from user input so your audience feels the tool in their hands. We ask for a name, an email, a phone, and a short note, then we show the list. You can try adding your dentist or your gym coach to make it feel real. This stays in memory so you can run it repeatedly without leaving files behind. In the next scene, we will make the data persistent. Search helps you find a person fast, even if you only remember part of the name or the email. Update lets you fix one field without rewriting the whole item. In this scene, we seed a couple of contacts so the demo always works. Then we search for a term like Sam, and we update the phone number. This mirrors real life when a friend switches plans and sends a new number. Delete must feel safe. We will find an item by ID, then remove it and show a confirmation line. We also add save and load so your work remains after the program ends. This uses a JSON file, which is a friendly text format that you can open in any editor. After you run this scene, you can open the file and see your contacts in a clear structure. I'm sorry I couldn't fit all the code on one screen. The text would have been too small to read. Hit me up if you do want a copy of the full code, though. Now we combine everything into a tiny app that you can keep using. Add list, search, update, delete, save, and also export to a .js file for quick web demos. The menu is simple and the output is clean. This is your final baseline before the challenge. You can hand this to a friend and they will understand it in minutes. Keep this file around as your starter for future small tools. Again, I couldn't get the full code on one screen, but definitely ask and I can get you the file. Challenge time. Add a favorite flag so you can star your most important people. You will add a new Boolean field named favorite and 2 actions. One action toggles the flag by ID, the other action lists only favorite contacts. Start with this file and try to complete each to-do step yourself. It is a tiny but powerful feature that shows how real apps grow. Let us know in the comments section how you went. Here is the full solution. We first make sure every row has the favorite field so old data continues to work. Then we flip the flag by ID and save. A second function lists only the rows that are marked. This pattern is common in real projects. You evolve the data safely, then add a small focused feature and a clear way to use it. That is how you keep momentum without breaking anything. Today you built a real and useful address book. You created items, read them, updated them, and deleted them. You saved your work to a simple text file so it stays between runs, and you exported the same data to a .json file for quick web tests. You added a favorites feature through a safe data change. Thank you for watching the whole beginner series. I am proud of your progress. Keep going and keep sharing your work with friends and family.